Good morning, my people. Hot skull action. Let's get it going, people. Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. We were at Project X. Now, I worked on these 2 years ago before all the craziness happened. We are expanding upon them and going to be changing the paint thing from a grayish tone down to green with vines and camel netting and cobwebs and all sorts of stuff to give it more of a swampy feel. So Zack is in the other area pouring up skulls for me, and as he gets them out of the mold, I'm grabbing them and bringing them in here. So like and subscribe, enjoy, and we'll bring you through the whole process, okay? You take care. See you in the next video. All right. We have some of the older stuff we did. It's from 2 years ago. Really held up well. Just got some areas I need to repair, like this right here. Okay, and this is new stuff going on. So we made some new molds over the winter time, getting ready. And we're using Durabond 90-minute and some of that stuff, insulation. Really meet it through the fibers, and you can sculpt it, and you get a long time to work with it. This I was able to sit there and work on for quite a while. So this is what's going on today. More stuff being added, and let's just keep on conquering, people. So this is definitely a team sport. Zack is way over on the other side. He's throwing down on skulls. We brought 10, 11 molds with us, and then we exhausted the use of a couple of them. So we concentrated more on skulls and the bones. And these are my faces. This is Creepy Stewie. So I was able to get a live mold made of my face many years ago, and so I've been able to pour them up in plaster, and while we watch TV recently, we're watching Bones, and I'm able to sculpt them, turn them into all sorts of different things, whether it be fully skull or sci-fi, or some of half Stewie, half nasty, and nasty teeth and stuff, so it works out really nice. And then we use dragon skin fast cure to make the molds. And so now we're screwing them to the walls and using insulation and Durabond 90. It comes in both 45 and 90. I prefer the 90. It gives us longer time to work with it. But when it dries, it is hard as a rock, and it would do real well. Once all these are done, we are going to come in and mix Portland cement, any type of oops paint you can get from the store, and play sand and slight bit of water, and we are going to hopper gun the walls. Hopper gun around the skulls. I don't want to do too much on the skulls, just the areas around them. It'll give them more impact. We're also using rope to fray it out and add some more stuff hanging down, and just to add that stuff, camel netting, this and that. So we use some cool lighting, and this is basically the queue line for this establishment. And so people will be walking through there. They got some TV monitors up, and they've already taped those off for me, and we're just going to make it really cool. The other thing too is we're letting it slop right down on the wall, on the floor. We're not getting all picky about the floor, because when the people come through, all the nasties and the balls of this and that on the floor, that, you know, we clean up all the loose stuff, but then everything else is there. It just adds to the realism that you're in a place that's nasty without cleaning everything up and everything's all pristine. So that just adds to more of the fantasy. So guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. There's about 1 more minute of the video, but it just shows what we got done and 3 days that we worked on it. And next week, hopefully, we'll be getting to the hopper gunning and doing some hot hopper gun and painting action. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next video.